Hi, I'm Seng. So today I'll show you how to reopen bill in Genius POS. Normally, if we check out the bill with a wrong payment types, then you need to use this method to correct that. Thank you.
Okay, for example, this bill is paid by Boost, but actually it is paid by GrabPay. So how to change it? Very simple. This bill is 1606. Go to transaction and click more. Search for that bill by here or click on the bill. From here, you can select on the date. So after that, select the bill 1606, click edit and just click reopen bill. So once you click reopen bill means that the bill will be activated and you are no longer receive the money using the Boost. Then click pay. This time you need to click to the correct payment method, which is the GrabPay. Just click exact and check out. This bill, the customer is buy the cloth A, but however, the customer want to change to the same value of the cloth B. Then we also do it in reopen bill. Same method, go to transaction, click on more, click on the bill just now, click reopen. Then this time, I delete the cloth A. Then I select for the correct item, which is the cloth B, and make sure it is the same amount. After that, just click check out. That's all for today. Thank you.
So 找 Genius POS 找阿成啦。
Cari POS system, cari Aseng.
Find Genius POS, find Aseng.
Aseng.
找 POS system 找 Aseng